Hey guys, good morning. Rudy here with Rudy's Life Chronicles, and today I need to make some cold brew coffee. With the day starting to get hotter, it's something that we're starting to crave a little bit more. I've done it before already, but I wanted to go ahead and just do a quick YouTube video for you guys on how to get it done. It is actually very, very straightforward. You just need to make sure that you have some coffee beans on hand, preferably something, fairly new. You can do this with ground coffee already, but it's best to do freshly ground coffee from some beans. So the one that I'm actually using here, we got at Costco, and it is the Blue Mountain Blend coffee, Blue Mountain Blend. This smells amazing, and we've had it hot already in our Keurig and everything, and then I've used it to make cold brew twice already. Definitely need to get another bag because this one is on the edge of being done. But all you need is 1 cup of this coffee ground down, and then 4 cups of cold water. And then all you do is you put it in a mason jar, and I'll go ahead and show that whole video right after I just explain this to you guys. And yeah, that's it. You just put it in a mason jar, put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Some people do 12. You can totally do 12, but I prefer the 24-hour method in the fridge. And what you want to do is every now and again, anytime you open the fridge, just have this rule set that you're going to go in there and shake the mason jar, up and down a couple times. So make sure you're doing that throughout those 24 hours. And then we'll go ahead and see the finished product tomorrow. So right now, we'll go ahead and get this done and show you guys how easy it is to make cold brew coffee. Now keep this in mind, I'm not a barista. I don't know a lot about coffee stuff. I just am a person here that just wanted to show you guys a super easy method on how to get this done, because it can be really easy. You can go through a super intense process as well. You can buy all this crazy equipment, all this stuff that you need to do to make this, and that's how a lot of people will probably prefer to do it. But if you're just doing it at home, you don't have anything but a mason jar, you have some coffee beans, and of course some water, you can totally do this at home. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the video here of it all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's all ready to go. Goodbye.
It was one lousy applicant after another. And then...